Hey, good morning, all of my viewers. How many of you are interested to know about the overview of copper mines? I think many of you are interested. So, with due respect to my elders and a lot of love to my well-wishers, friends and juniors, I am going to make an overview of the copper mines for the activities which it does. So, you see at the distance, that is called open cast mine, and here it is located the mine shaft. So here basically copper ore comes from both the source. Copper ore comes from the open cast mines and copper ore also comes from the underground mining. So there are two different streams. From underground mining, copper ore which comes are going to be treated in this new waste mill plant. So later on I will explain what is the activities in the plant, in the mill. And this new waste mill is the another source where the copper ore is collected in the crusher, and after being crushed with a system of conveyors, it is ultimately collected in the stockpiles. So stockpiles, I am showing you here in the below. From the stockpiles, it is further reclaimed to be transported through again by a system of the conveyors, ultimately to be grinded in the sag mill and ball mill in the presence of the grinding media. So I will describe later on elaborately. So now you can see that copper ore which is coming from the open cast is getting poured here, and heating is done here. And here, with the help of this excavator, it is further given to the feeders, reciprocating feeders. So feeders are not visible from here. Feeders are in this tunnel, underground tunnel. From underground tunnel, another belts are there. So these belts are reclaiming the ore and transporting to sag mill. Sag means SAG, means semi-automatic grinding. That means part of grinding is taken place by the help of the rock itself, which means some percentage of the rock is in the solid form, in the size of the 150 mm. So these 150 mm rocks, along with grinding media, that is ball of 80 mm diameter, is treating this ore to make it the ultimate target size of 75 micron, which is most suitable for hot flotation process. So this is the drive of the belt conveyor, which is getting driven by the motor, gearbox, drive pulley. So now you can see with the system of these conveyors, it is going to in that new east mill, so which is treated here in sag mill and ball mills. The overflow of the treatment goes in the slurry to the cyclone. Cyclone is their classification takes place for the target size of the 75 micron, and further process of froth flotations, the desired part, that is the sulfide bearing ore, is separated out from the rest of the things, so which is called tailings. So tailings also consist of some useful parts, but that is not separated in the concentrator because it cannot be separated by the froth flotation process. For separation of tailings, which consist of oxygen bearing ore, we have to treat separately in our downstream plant, tail leach plant, that is called TLP. So with further reaction with sulfuric acid, it is converted to copper sulfate solutions along with some impurities. So these impurities again not desirable things. So these impurities are further separated out with solvent extraction process by addition of some organic chemicals. So after solvent extraction process, the pure copper sulfate solutions is sent to our cell house for electrowinning, and ultimately in the cathode plate pure copper is deposited. It is 99.99% pure and it is sellable in the market. And somewhere this copper plate which is reclaimed in the cell house is again melted to form ingot as per requirement of the market. So hi guys, I think it is quite useful for you for the time being. Don't worry, I will make another video to make you people understand elaborately what is comminution, what is crushing, what is grinding, what is thought flotation, and from the close shot I will try to show you the crusher, sag mill, ball mill, everything. For the time being, be careful. COVID is still there. The third phase is going on in the full-fledged here in the Zambia. Every day around 3,500 people are getting affected in this country where the medical facilities are not adequate. So the only way to save ourselves is to remain very careful. Unfortunately, I got administered with the two dose of vaccines. Hope you will also take care of yourselves and be careful further. Thank you. Bye bye.